Hello guys and welcome to the new lecture, and from now on we are going to work on jQuery UI development, that how to use jQuery UI in our web application. So for that, before that we need to download the jQuery UI files, and I'm going to download the jQuery UI now. I'm going to click on the stable button over here, and after downloading the file I need to, as you can see, I need to extract the file. Right after that, I need to copy that file inside the jQuery folder. As you can see that I've already copy and pasted the file inside our jQuery folder, right? So now I'm going to the editor, and after that, what are the files which we need to upload to the which we need to link to our project file? The file would be CSS, JS, UI structure.css, and UI.theme CSS file. So first of all, I'm going to upload the CSS file. I'm going over here. After the style.css, I'm going to write link rel style sheet href jQuery UI, and this is UI.css. It's up to you. You can upload the minified CSS file as well, but I'm not doing that. Style sheet href and jQuery UI, and after that structure.css, and the last CSS file, style sheet href jQuery UI, and the last thing would be theme.css. And now after the index.js, I need to upload the src jQuery UI and jQuery UI.js. So guys, we have successfully uploaded the jQuery UI files in our project. So now I'm going to the folder, I'm going to body tag. I need to remove it. I need to remove this as well and this as well. So I need to check that whether it is working or not. Date input, I will tell you in the next class about the date picker. I'm just checking it whether the files are working or not. ID date picker, yes, that's correct. So now I'm going to do index.js or hashtag date picker dot date picker. So now I'm going to jQuery. So yes, sorry for that. So guys, as you can see that the date, because it's over here, this is a widget of a jQuery UI. So jQuery UI is perfectly working. So from now on, from the next class, we are going to work on the jQuery UI widgets and effects and some interactions as well. So for the next class, we're going to work on the date pickers. So guys, I will see you again in the next class. Have a nice day.